Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 6th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So, on the 1 hour time frame, we had this nice impulsive move down. It looks like a end of a correction on the daily time frame, like this is the end of a pullback, and we're back into the downtrend on the daily and weekly. If that's true, we still can drift up on this 1 hour time frame. This still could end up going up to, one of these much, much higher Fibonacci levels before it actually decides to make a move to the downside. So I am definitely got a short bias, and I'm definitely looking for shorts. Whether or not you want to try to trade it to the long side for this ABC correction is kind of up to you on what time frame you are trading. But it could end up going, to the 50 or the 61%. So even the 78% is definitely possible. So until you get that double top breaking structure to the downside at a Fibonacci level, the momentum is probably up on the 1 hour time frame. Most likely the move up is like a wave one, wave two, and a wave three to a new downtrend on the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpepcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.